Well, good afternoon, Northeast Mississippi. We're having a pretty active day over the eastern United States with a really big band of storms being pushed by this cold front. And also what's aiding in that is a whole bunch of humid, warm air blowing in from the Gulf, also bringing in a bunch of clouds. As you can see outside, very, very cloudy, just a few specks of blue in between them. 84 degrees today with a dew point of 70. That is also coming from the Gulf. All that hot, warm air is blowing in. But what I want to point out to you is 25-mile-per-hour winds coming in from the south. That's really fast. Those are sustained winds with gusts going upwards of 30, capping out in 42 at Eupora. And then back at home, we're seeing 36 and 31 in Columbus. And then we have a severe storm threat coming from that band of storms with that cold front. The Golden Triangle region is just a marginal threat, but as you move more northeast, it will get more increased. It'll get higher of a chance. And then tomorrow, the active weather will sort of diminish as it kind of plays its route. And so our severe threat will also diminish for that same reason. And then, so let's just track out this storm, why don't we? Today, right now, it's patchy clouds, it's more overcast, but storms are going to follow that cold front, hitting Memphis at about 8 p.m., kind of getting pretty rough. And we might see some isolated showers, some offshoots of this storm, but really, we're just going to see a lot of cloud cover coming in from the Gulf. That's all being fueled by that warm air from the Gulf. That's kind of what's doing it all. And then overnight, still a lot of cloud cover, maybe some offshoots up in the northern region, but everything's going to sort of clear out over time. And then by tomorrow, by the time you're getting out of work or school, you will be seeing blue skies, maybe some clouds polka dotted around, but mostly blue skies. Tonight and tomorrow, 71 degrees tonight, unseasonably warm with a lot of cloud cover. Still those high winds today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is a high of 86. That is really, really warm for this time of year. I think almost 20 degrees over our average, which is pretty astounding. And then going into the weekend, high 80s in the daytime until we get a lot of rain on Saturday and going into Saturday night. And then look at this, after 40s and 30s in the lows starting next week. Whoa.